And this is how Naledi Aphiwe celebrated her Valentine's Day. Even though she is single and she's made it very clear that she is single, she celebrated Valentine's Day by a cute photo shoot because that's what a lot of celebrities do, right? She was in such a beautiful dress and flowers, and her makeup always it. And also, hey, hey. So happy belated Valentine's Day. I'm glad that even though she is single, she definitely made the most out of it and created content for us, her fans. And also, under other news, Naledi Aphiwe made sure and made the means for his brother Peanuts to see his girlfriend on Valentine's Day. And she basically said she had flew her all the way from where she was so that she can meet her man. And all I'm gonna say is that I didn't know that Peanuts and Naledi Aphiwe were that close of friends. Like the last time we saw them together literally was when they were making content in a progressive school where they were dancing, right? And I also said that she is basically making content, and how I was also giving a compliment to the school on how they take talent so seriously. But I didn't know that they making content actually matured into a huge like a beautiful friendship, that she is even now close to him and his girlfriend, and also made the means for his girlfriend to be flown from where she was to her man. Like, if she is not a loyal friend, who isn't? Like, this is such a good friend, and this also shows that Naledi Aphiwe is not a jealous friend. She is such a good friend to all of her friends. I mean, she is so beautiful. Like, honestly, she could have this man for all I know, but she can't, right? She is such a good friend. Like, let's all have a friend like Naledi Aphiwe. Basically, that's what I'm saying. And not Mawelele Naledi Aphiwe's ex hard launching his girlfriend, I suppose, on Valentine's Day. I mean, we were all shocked because Naledi Aphiwe and Mawelele made a song together. They've been doing music together, and there have been speculations online that Mawele and Naledi Aphiwe are back together. But even though with the rumors during the interviews, they've been asking like, "Are you guys back together?" And they have been saying no. And not in one interview has Mawele said, "I am in a relationship." And I will tell you what I think about this. I think they are not in a relationship yet. I think that is his Valentine's Day date. They might date after this. Yes, it's possible they might date, but I think that they are not in a relationship. I think that it was just a date. I mean, when you study the body language, it kind of look awkward. Like it kind of like they're comfortable with each other. Yes, they're laughing and all of that, but it's so awkward. Like it's like I've not been around you for a long time. Like I'm pretending. Like it seems pretentious to me. That's what it seems like. But I've been watching Lady closely. She has not replied to this. She has not responded to this. I don't think she even cares, because in this interview she was the first one who kept on saying we are not together. Life moves on. Maybe she knew something if they were in a relationship this whole time. Maybe she knew something, and and she knew that Mawelele was not going to say something, and the narrative of them being together always blows up. Like it trends, like people wondering, like relationships trends, whether you're in South Africa, anyway, it always trends. And she knew that that narrative really works, but people are never gonna let it go because they've made it very clear that they are not together, and that's my opinion, right? So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and a happy Valentine belated. I will see you in my next video.